offline business need your help. Up until now, you may have concentrated building your internet marketing skill and income online. However, you may be ignoring a valuable segment of the market for your skill. The offline business that you need your help. That's right, there are plenty of mom and pop business that are struggling to make it in this recession would be to know how to cut cost, gain wider marketing purpose, but they have no clue on how to do that online. As you well know, there is demanded a solution where is way to make riches. All you have to is understand how to educate offline business owner in what they are missing and to create a solution that meet those needs. They might not believe you. A first when you first approach offline business owner, the first thing out of their months will be I already have a website. Well, that may well be true. They rent understanding the basic difference between owning a static website that just site their getting state and having a web presence that is live bringing the new customer on a regular basis. You can beat that. The majority of business wanna don't understand how the internet can work for them. Other than an advertisement industry medium, they think it likely a business card or a billboard. They don't understand that is a full functioning internet marketing program doesn't just advertise, it brings the traffic and customer and should save them on their offline operating cost as well. Don't be surprised if you come up with a little resistance at first, but you are going to have some ready answer to help business owner understanding why they need your help, you why you now is the best time to get fostering online presence for the business. What can they do with your help? The bottom line for most business owners is the what is in it for them, what can they do with your help and why it is benefit to them. There is really only two major goals in business to increase income and to reduce expense. If you can show them how to save printing cost using online coupon or increasing income for identifying new customer, they will want to hear more. Advertising is something that has changed too, and they may not know that they can reach a wider audience online with new forms advertising and sales campaign than they could ever hope to be offline. Use your expertise to sell products that help offline business owners succeed, and you will have a strategic team of customer lined up at your door. How to sell your service to offline business? If you hate sales and think the idea of selling your service to brick and mortar stores sound of place, think again. You don't have to do any cold calling or even in person sale to get to work. You do have to implement some offline strategy to get offline attention. It is not the same thing as putting up a sales page and then promoting it online. Your potential customer, after all, are all offline. That's what caused them to be in need of your service. It means that you might have to implement some direct sales marketing in the front of a offline sales letter, and then depending on the service you're selling, you can do in person consultation or direct them to an online area. Selling package. If you are tech savvy and offer a package that including a website, some press release, online coupons or a blog setup and some advertising and marketing exposure, you might be able to offer a full service package without ever getting out of your computer chair. You will have to spend money on advertising that package in offline area where business owner can spot in it and can wait off to order it. That might be in trade magazine of a local newspaper. In this model, it is going to take a bit of upfront work and money to get your package noticed. Once it starts selling, you can devote your time to other things. Selling offline. If you are selling consulting services, odds are that you will have to do some face-to-face selling. Business owner will want to shake your hand and find out whether they can trust you. If you are going over their business process and advertising them on how to change them to so that they can cut share expense, increase their income, they might want to you visit their place of business and spend some time there. That's all part of marketing and offline business with consulting service, but there's another way to sell your expertise too. You can coach people offline way online technology. All it takes is some knowledge of video or audio. Create course and offline workshop that people can download for your site and can use to help them get their offline business online. You can also set up phone coaching sessions for those who want private consultation at a higher rate. You are selling your expertise and there is a market for that expertise. It is just a matter of going out and bringing that market back to your product and service. Sell the benefits. If you are going to sell your expertise or a product to any offline business owner, you will want to sell the benefit first. What benefit an offline business owner? Anything that make his her life easier, save him her money, or makes him her money. You can also add the motivation of waiting to complete it better or to expand his her offering. This eventually lead to making more money. It may be tempting to promote a solution before offering the benefit, but this is a mistake. Their people are not teach savvy for the most part and don't have time to learn everything. Many times they just want to pay someone else to implement the solution so that they can attend it to the other business matter more. Don't sell a website, sell a way to attract customers. While some people love technology and are worried by Genius Galore and the average business owner is much more practical. They are not going to donkey monkey and website if they already have one. Even if you explain that what they have is static website, they will not understanding the difference between that with dynamic content. For that reason, you will have to put it into business terms. What's the return on investment? RO of the site, how many customers are they attracting? Not how many visitors, but how many customers. Ask them if they know who is visiting. Do they have way to capture email address or they don't doing any email campaign or relying on people to buy from the electronic cart without promotion. These are ton of way to that you can sell benefit a dynamic site. It bring in more customers and should be the start of basic sales funnel. Don't sell online coupons, sell cost saving. Every time a business owner print a coupon, this is expense associated with that marketing fund. Printing cost can eat into advertising budget quickly and may not have a good return on the investment. What if you told your pros- prospective customer that a new way to save him her most all of his here printing cost on coupon that she send out of customer and still advertise successfully? Wouldn't he she be interested? Of course, That's because they benefit of save money on printing cost is understandable. Various buying online coupon. She may not understanding how implement online coupon can work with an offline model or how that benefit him her directly. Thus, sell the benefit first to get him her to understand it and then show him her how it done when he see buy package or your consulting service. If you develop too much about how you are helping him her before he see buy odds or that he will still shop around or for the best price for that service or try to implement it without you. Creating website that attract customer. You can set up a website related quickly this day using third-party hosting site like Bluehost.com or Headhost.com. There is site has special tool that allow you to quickly get different type of site of and running, including a larger number of website design template. You are probably used several of this online site to help you put up your one internet site. You can do the same for other too without actually having to tell them how you are doing it too so quickly. Designing and building a site is just a small step toward building website that attract customer. We have to know what type of feature on the site help to drive traffic to the website. It can include dynamic content that is SEO optimized, but it can also include so much more. Once you have attracted enough customer, you have to make the site work to identify those visitors so that the offline business can effectively market to them. Otherwise, they remaining in anonymous and golden opportunity to add them to your contact list disappear when they leave the site. SEO still work to attract lots of attention from search engine. You want to include strategic that get you noticed is putting highly searched keyword that have low competition in the content help to the drive traffic to the site. You can either have the content outsourced with keyword interested and sells that to your business owner, or you give him her a list keyword to include in his her owner content to help him her get better exposure. Opt-in page. You will want to include features to capture email addresses for visitors who come to the site like a double opt-in page. You can entice a visitor of sign up for a newsletter and online coupons or include interactive puzzles, quizzes and game that require an email to see that result. Once they decided to subscribe to something or to play a game, you can ask them for permission to contact them with other offer too. With a double opt-in page as opposed to a single opt-in page, a visitor put in his her email information and choose a password and that information is then sent to his her email address to verify this way. He She can't be signed up by other people who may know his her email address and spam bots are not going to verify it either. It keeps your list clean and human. Online couponing for offline saving. Another valuable feature to include on the website you develop for any offline clients is the ability in including of online couponing. There are several reasons why this is so attractive to any offline business owner. It helps to save on printing cost because you will either have to visitor print the coupon from his or her home printed or she will give a code to use off for online sales. Thus, there is no need to print out paper coupon and pass them out. After you have set up couponing on your site, an advertising material can serve as a coupon too. All that the business owner has to do is to include your URL to the online coupon on his her regular advertisement. Emailing coupons work too. How much money do you think people spend on coupon mailing service? Quite a lot. They are a great way to reach local people and have work wandering or contracting people on a regional base, but the same process can be done online much more effectively. It is just that the business owner doesn't understand how the internet can be used to reach a local audience as well as a global audience. Sometimes you have to educate him or so that she can find a way to streamlining his her service while continuing to attract more customers. You can have him her joining place that list his her place of business and give discount by way of lines coupons, or you can set up his her owner coupon program where she use his her mailing list specials, or you can use a combination or both and still probably spend less than hiring a printing company to print off all those coupon and do direct mailing. Once he see how much money she will be saving in postage, in printing, and in advertising cost, this way of doing business is in a bearing brainer. Imagine if you could serve sales for a new promoting by giving out coupon to all for your existing customer without waiting for them to open their email or to visit the offline store. That's the power of internet marketing when used for any offline business. Coupons should be available to shop sale, not just as a token of appreciation. Couponing is a valuable way to get people into the mouth of your sales funnel too. It gives them an incentive, identify themselves, motivate them to make purchase, particularly if the coupon of fare is time limited. You can get fare from more from the type of interactive site that has on opt-in page and incentive to purchase from the very minute someone lands on it. It can be a great way to build your business in a recession. Moving them to online directories. People are creators or habit. If they grew up using one brand of toothpaste, it may take a major battle to get them to change to another brand. They have to see benefit of changing their way because they have come to trust a brand so much that dropping it is unthinkable. They just don't see how any other brand could be more trustworthy. That is that is the case with a yellow page offline and business owner. They have relied on this offline brand to produce tons of business leads, and it still work, but now they should also explore offline directories as well. At the point where they can start to see the actual benefit, they may decide that using only online directory is a great strategy to gain more exposure for the business and to save them money too. However, it may not be easy to convincing them at first. Explain it from the customer point of view. The business owner may be laboring under the facial impression that everyone is still using the telephone business page to look of business. Help them to understand that consumer in the United States, in particular, are becoming very savvy about how to look up business before they buy. They will Google a business to determine that is being said about it. They will look up local restaurant review with citysearch.com. They will talk to their friends and followers on Twitter and Facebook to find out what others have to say about your business. If you're not online in directory, you are as good and visible for the modern consumer even if they have a yellow page and ad. That fact is that consumer look offline first, not offline even for local business. Add them to business directories online. You can advertise business on which offline directory best survey their purpose of advertising. It might be the super page or other type of online telephone book site. You might want to get their website listed with the major search engine so that they can start developing page rank and SEO strategy. Google is not the only search engine out there. Add them to Yahoo as well. Get some favorable reviews. Add some favorable review for the company in place like citysearch.com or merchantcircle.com and its local customer to visit. Incorporate your listing with a coupon and watch your traffic. Offline and online workshop. Business owner can do lot. You may offer them a package including your consulting service and they may still rather do that themselves. All they need is little training and many are willing to pay for it. The niche thing about workshop offline is that even after they pay to get trained, they will start to consider the benefit of saving time by having you do the work rather than by trying to save a few thin bucks by doing it themselves. They will find it too complex or not worth their time in some cases, and so you will also get consulting leads out of workshop for those who decided against the die route. Offline workshop. Offline workshops are very profitable if you line up a core group of people who agree to come before the data date. You can write a course workbook and have it printing at Nicox as a part of your package. Many business owners would be willing to pay several $100 for a one-day workshop to tell them how to move their offline business onto a global platform while saving money too. You can offer your workshop material in various format for CDS and DVDs and sell a variety of the other type of information product during the workshop to augment your income. It is also a great source of publicity for your consulting service. Always make sure to confirm that you are available for consulting should they want to hire someone after the fact. Online workshop. Online workshop are very easy to implement with today video and audio technology and the internet. Once you build short course online, you can even promote it for free to people to get sales leads. A new short course that you offer for free can be a great way to entice people to buy the biggest product that go more in depth with the material. You can also use them with your offline workshop as the bonus gift to people who attend. People like to feel they have gotten a freebie and appreciate the effort to meet their needs above and beyond the call of duty. What the even is for your about online workshop is that you can put them as membership area and interest of charging for a view. Charge a monthly membership access to all online course. This will seem like a real deal to most people and yet it provided a means of obtaining residual income for you as well. That's mean that you will always have some money coming in a monthly basis for new existing customer. Instead, of having to sell them over and over or of finding new customer to take their place. Consult your way to success. Consulting can be very lucrative business, but comes with much higher risks than some of the other strategic until year earlier. For once, your personal liable for any demise that your working might cause while you are on someone else's premises. You can charge much higher fee to consulting, and that's the main draw. But but you will also have to devote your time to one's customer and assume some more risks to get that fee. Much more face-to-face interaction. If you like meeting with people and learning what makes them tick, consulting is a fun job. If you are more private, then it can add tremendous stress you, particularly for an internet marketer who might have hidden behind the computer screen in the past. This type of offline way to do business on internet marketing is not for everyone, but for those where it is a good fit. It is very easy way to make money. You are the expert. As a consult, you are the expert. The business owner will provide you with the resource you need to understand his her business and get the job done. You may have to bring your own tools and have a home office, but there are tax breaks that come along with that too. Being a business consulting is a nice way to generate a larger income, and the pay of doing business from a tax perspective or gain generous. Review how to save your earning. You may think the more expensive associated with the house consulting and there or how many are deducted at the end of year. You can deduct the cost of traveling to and from a job site at a standard mileage rate. You can less of specially car and deduct that cost on your tax. You can devote your portion of your home as home office, and as long it meet federal requirement, you can deduct portion of your mortgage and your utility from your taxes service that space. In a sense, you get a lot of government perks that might be hard to access and prove by doing most of your work offline online. Consulting resell on your reputation and word or mouth to get new customer. You will find that Statefield business or owner refer your business from other people if they know that they can trust you. See 10 to the post in referral bonus, and you will have to tones of your creating a killer sales campaign online. Business owner who do business offline rely on a few strategies to create business leads. They may have a day in the yellow page. They may even know about citysearch.com and merchantcircle.com. Yet many have never stayed down to create an active plan for a salesperson that has a defined sales funnel completed from complete from the mouth of the funnel to its closing of a sale. Instead, the reply lock and the quality of the offering to persuade people to buy. That is working for many of the right now due to the recession. They need to be more proactive and showing them how to generate lead one line and developing a key sales campaign is going to benefit them tremendously. The sales funnel. You can develop some very nice campaign for your business owner to generate traffic into his her offline store. You start to develop a list that categorize his her customer based on whether he she is local or not. Then you can use that information to create a different sales promotion that will be emailed to those client to notify them to depending to store sales and discount to generate more foot traffic. Other people who are offline leads can be marketed with the right product and service for the group. Having a definable sales funnel where our mouth is a double port in page and careful crafted promotion can be a great way to increase income for a offline business. Once they get the hang of this, they might want to do it themselves, but would that if you are knowledgeable about their product and service, you can do it for them and they will love you for it. Promoting the business online. Each sales campaign is a new opportunity to promote the business online outside of the regular audience. You can pick out or two products that you want to promote heavily from the offline business owner and set up backlink or blogs, news article and more to promote this offering. You can even use your one internet marketing vehicle to increase their exposure by tweeting about it on Twitter or by adding a link to your status update on Facebook. This is just something that the average business owner cannot provide for himself or herself. They have been too busy marketing their products offline to develop an online audience. You can show them how associating with your and your company has automatically generated massive exposure due to your online connection. Sell online tools. Any internet market wouldn't be here where she it at fees. She didn't know tools that help him or do business online. If you're on affiliate for some of those tools, you can make money sending your offline business owner contact to this program to sign up on their one. Even if they never hire you to do any consulting, listing only to your free workshop or online and demanding to try to do everything themselves, they will want to buy those tools. If you can put affiliate links in your free video and article, you should do this to promote those tools too. AWEBR, once you service promote make money with the ABR.com. This mail campaign mailing service is essential to most online marketing. Once they get a handle on how to pick good product and service to promote and how to create a sales funnel, they will want to automate the entire producer. That is what Beaver.com can do for them. If you include your affiliate links within your information product, you stand to make income in this way too. Affiliate network. After you explain why it is important for offline business owner to join a affiliate network, you can offer them link to sign up. Those that offer you sign up bonus and sub affiliates commissions. Every merchant who want to start selling things online will have a need of this type of information and service, so why not make some money while they are getting set up with them. Blogs. Adding blog to website is a great way to keep a website dynamic. However, what business owner has time to blog every day? You can sell the creation of a blog, but after that someone has to keep the content fresh. You can offer a service to sell PR original article to your business owner and have a variety of topic that suit their markets. SEO tools. Google's provided a free keyword analyzer, but it doesn't really tell them much about how they struck off against the competition on their SEO strategy. You can promote and sell SEO tool that let you earn affiliate commission from sales to keep your business owner happy and to get some income too. In conclusion, as can be seen, when you start to market offline business with online possibility, you expand your internet marketing effort into a rich field that is just waiting to be developed and explored. You may find that you even need to hire local representative that can help promote you and business to local business. There are many unemployed people out there right now who probably have consulting to local business. Check them out the linkedin.com and see if they make a good fit for the promoting of your internet marketing service offline. That way you don't even have to develop the offline business connections. You can just hire us.